Can you imagine being an astronaut floating peacefully in space when suddenly you hear a knock? That's exactly what happened to some astronauts aboard the space station. They heard distinct knocking sounds as if someone or something was outside trying to get in. For a moment, they were completely baffled. After all, space is a vacuum. It's supposed to be totally silent. So, what was making that eerie noise? Scientists eventually figured it out, and the truth is fascinating. The knocking was actually the sound of the space station's metal walls expanding and contracting due to the extreme temperature changes between sunlight and shadow. Also, tiny pieces of space debris, some smaller than a grain of sand, can hit the station at incredible speeds, creating sharp pings. So, it wasn't an alien visitor, just a spooky trick of physics. In space, even science can sound terrifying. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories.